Hello and welcome to today's Rockademy Masterclass for the drums. Today we're going to go over a few different exercises. We're going to do a paradiddle with a samba foot ostinato. We're going to have a look at the introduction to polyrhythms. So this is going to be a 3-2 polyrhythm and a 3-4 polyrhythm. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Let's get to the studio. Okay, so to get started on our rudiment and samba foot ostinato, we are going to start off with the paradiddle. And a paradiddle is 4 notes, basically. It's going to be played right, left, right, right, and then we'll alternate it for the second paradiddle, left, right, left, left. So 4 notes. Now, we must also pay attention to the fact that the paradiddle has an accent pattern. So that is the first note of each paradiddle is played with more emphasis. So that will sound like this. Okay, so that's the paradiddle. Now, to get to the samba foot ostinato, the word ostinato I'm using to refer to a repeating pattern. Okay, so the bass drum as a pattern is going to be played on the first note of the paradiddle and the last note, so notes 1 and 4. So that will go like this. Paradiddle, 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 pa. Okay, so it repeats itself over and over and over. The left foot is going to play on the third note of each paradiddle, so the first did, for the first double stroke in that sense. So we would have paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. Now if I put those two counts together with the paradiddle, we'll have this. Okay, so let's have a look at that taken through some different tempos. So polyrhythm. Now by definition, poly meaning more than one or many, and rhythm means we're playing more than one rhythm at a time. So to do that, we're going to start off with a simple one, 3-2. Okay, so our ride will play the 3 and our bass drum will play the 2 rhythm. So let's put that together. Our ride will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and underneath that 1 and, or if I count it as its own rhythm, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. When I put the two together, I will count the second bass drum as the and, because that's where it would fit. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now I'm going to add a snare drum to this as well, just to give us a bit of a backbeat. The really cool thing about this is I'm going to play it every other note. So it's going to start on 2, then 1, then 3. And obviously after that it will be back to 2 again. That means it's going to take 2 bars to resolve itself. So we're playing this as a 2-bar phrase almost. So if I put that together, this is what we'd have. Okay. The thing I love about that is that snare drum falling on 1, because you get it with the bass at the same time. Sounds cool. Okay, so now I'm just going to take those through a few different tempos for you. Okay, so for our next polyrhythm, we are going to change our bottom number. We're going to be playing a 4 instead of a 2 now. So our ride will still be playing 3 crotchets, 1, 2, 3, but our bass drum is going to be playing 4. So if we put the 2 rhythms together, we will be playing 1, a 2 and 3E, 1, a 2 and 3E, 1, a 2 and 3E. Okay, you can see our bass drum is now playing semiquavers or 16th notes because we've got some E's and Ands in there. Okay, so if I put the 2 rhythms together, we would have this. Okay, so there is our 3/4 polyrhythm. Now I'm going to do exactly the same thing I did with my snare drum to create some kind of backbeat to this. I'm going to do it every other note. So on 2, 1 and 3 again. Okay, let's have a look at how that's going to sound.